Hello students, today I am going to give you the introduction of chapter 6, that is lines and angles. So here I have written down some of the words which you have to understand before starting the chapter. So let's begin. Okay. So before starting these points, one thing, lines. What is the meaning of these lines now? Lines. Okay. What is this? Which I am going to do this all these. These are points or not, isn't? These are what? Point. So if I join so many points together, what it is going to form? It is going to form a what? Line. So this is known as what? Line, and it does not have any end point. Okay. So line is a group of points which join together and which does not have any end. Okay. It goes infinitely in both the sides. Okay. So this is line. Okay. So now here we'll start with the first point, that is line segment now. Okay. So line segment means what? Line. See, it is, see this, if we divide the two words line and segment. Line means what? Now I have explained this is line. Now segment means part. Small part of line is known as what? Line segment. So small part of line is known as line segment. Means line segment is that which has two endpoints. Suppose I have taken only 2 points of this line. If I select only 2 points, suppose say I am selecting this point and this point. So I have started from this point to this point. It is known as what? Line segment. Okay. So once again, so what will be the definition of line segment? A line which has 2 endpoints is known as what? Line segment. Okay. Okay then. Now the second point is ray. So ray, it is also related to line segment only. So the definition of ray will be what? In line segment, we know that we have 2 endpoints, but in ray, what it is? It has only 1 endpoint, and the other end it goes endlessly. Okay? So see here, ray has only 1 endpoint, and the other point goes endlessly. Okay? And line segment means which has 2 endpoints. Got it? Now next, what we have here? Collinear and non-collinear points. Okay? Collinear. Collinear means if in a line, more than 3 or more points lie, then it is said to be collinear point. Okay, once again I am repeating it. If in a line more than 3 points, these are 3 points, but it should be more than 3 points. Suppose this is another one, 4 points. So if in a line, if there are more than 3 points, if there exists more than 3 points, the line is said to be, the points is said to be what? Collinear. Okay, but if there are no, suppose this is line, but if does not have any more than 3 points, it has only 2 points, then we cannot say that that line is, that point is collinear point. It will be non-collinear. Okay. So let's come to the next part, that is angle. Now angle. So angle is that, angle is a joining of two rays. Suppose as I said, this is the ray. We know, I have explained this is ray. So if the 2 rays are joined together with a common point or common vertex, it is known as angle. What I said, if 2 rays, this is one ray, this is another ray, if 2 rays are joined together with the common vertex means this is the joining point, then it is said to be angle. Okay, see, here we got the angle now. Once again, if 2 rays, this is one ray, this is another ray, are joined together with the common vertex is known as what? Angle. Okay, got it? So now next point is arms. Now what is arm? It is also related to the term angle now. As I said, angle. What is angle? 2 rays are joined by a common point. So these rays are known as arms. Okay, got I think? So how many arms does this angle has? 2 arms. This is one, this is another one. Okay, so I think you got you understood about the arms. Now let us go to the next term, that is what? Types of angles. This is also important terms, and this we have learned in earlier classes also, but though I am going to explain once again. Types of angles. There are, how many types of angles are there? There are 5 types of angles. Okay, see, I have written here: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, and reflex angle. So okay, now we have to know the term of each angle. Okay, so see here, acute. So what is the meaning of acute angle? If the angle is less than 90 degree, what it is? Acute means if less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Okay, less than 90 degree is known as what? Acute angle. Obtuse angle, it will be more than 90 degree. It will be obtuse angle. Right angle is equal to 90 degree is known as right angle. Straight angle just equal to 180 degree is known as straight angle. Reflex angle. So reflex angle it will be more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is known as reflex angle. Okay. So I am going to explain once again this term by showing some diagrams. So see, acute angle. If I draw this angle, so see this angle, it will be less than 90 degree. Okay. So this is what angle? It is acute angle. So first wait, see, this type of angle is known as what? It is in L shape. So L shape, this angle is always known as right angle, 90 degree. It is fully 90 degree. Okay. So less than this will be what? Acute angle only. Suppose if I draw in this way, then this will be see less than 90 degree. Somewhat it will be 83 degree or something. So it will be acute angle. Okay. Again also you can draw one more angle. It will be 62, 65 degree. Again if you reduce it, it will be 45 degree. Again if I draw here, it will be 10 to 15 degree. So these all are acute angle. Okay. Now obtuse angle. What is the term? Obtuse angle. It is more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree means the figure will be somewhat in this way. In this way, see. It is. So, see, suppose this is a 90 degree. This is our 90 degree. So, we will draw here only. See, more than 90 degree means the line should come out of this line. It should come out of this line, then it will be in this way. This one or this one. It should be more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So, for this you have to know the term 180 also. So, see, 180 means what? This straight line is known as what? 180 degree. Full. Full. This full is known as 180 degree. So, this is the 0 degree angle. So, if I draw this line, then this will be my 180 degree. But obtuse angle should be less than 180 degree. So, up to here also we can give. So, in this way. Full. Up to here. Okay. So, again next. Again you can do it more than 90 degree. It's known as what? Obtuse angle. Okay. Only the thing is that you should know the term what is obtuse angle. Next, as I have said, straight angle, it should be totally 180 degree. So see, this is our 180 degree angle. The figure will be in this way. Okay. One more term is given to the straight angle. It is also known as linear pair. Remember, it is also known as linear pair. 180 degree angle is also known as linear pair. Okay. So now next, reflex angle. It will be more than 180 degree. That means the line will come out of this, but less than 30 degree, 360 degree. So the figure will be, suppose this is our 0 degree angle and this we have drawn. So it will start from here, it will be up here. Suppose this is our 180 degree angle, it will be more than this. Okay. So this is reflex angle. We can say it as reflex angle. Okay. Now these are the types of angles. Now here we are going to learn about, now next term is our adjacent angle. So we have to do now adjacent angle. So see, adjacent angle means if two angles are joined by one common arm. If two angles are joined by common arm is known as adjacent angle. Two angles, that means suppose this is one angle and also this is another angle. Okay. But now this is not adjacent angle because they are not joined by a common angle, common arm. As I said, two angles joined by common arm. Common arm means if I draw this line and I join this in this way. Now see, this is one angle and the other one is this angle. So see, these two angles are joined by the common arm. It is known as, this type of angle is known as adjacent angle. So we can say that, suppose this is our angle A, this is our angle B. Angle A, angle B. So I can say that angle A is adjacent to angle B. Okay. So next is our complementary angle. Complementary angle. Complementary angle, it is simply 90 degree angle is known as what? Complementary angle. 90 degree angle is known as complementary angle. Another name of 90 degree angle is complementary angle. Also it is known as right angle. Okay. So next is our supplementary angle. Supplementary angle also same. Just it is also known 180 degree are known as supplementary angle. Another name of supplementary angle is also straight angle. Okay. So this one only this term only you have to keep it in mind. Now the next term is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle, also you have to know this term, very much important. What is the meaning of this term? Vertically opposite angle. If two lines, suppose this is one line and this is another line, are crossing each other, intersecting each other, and the angles form opposite to each other are known as vertically opposite angle. See, these two lines are crossing each other. This is the center point. Let us take it as O. Okay. And here how many angles we are getting? All total we have 4 angles. Suppose this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C, this is angle D. So see, what we can say, angle A will be equal to what? Opposite to angle A, which is the angle? Angle C. Angle A will be equal to angle C. This is known as vertically opposite angle. Again, one more vertically opposite angle we have, that is angle B will be equal to angle D. See here, angle B equal angle D. This is also vertically opposite angle. So I think understood these terms. So these are the terms which you have to know before studying the chapter. So my next video will be on exercise 6.1. So these terms will be useful, will be helpful for you in that in doing the sums of that exercise. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you, students.